I'll be revealing my Claude SEO automation that got this website over 70,000 total web clicks and averaging over 1,000 clicks every single day. Let's go ahead and get started. Step one is we need to do an audit. We need to know where we are from an SEO perspective, from on-page, off-page, technical SEO, and so on. So in order to do that, I had to do it manually, but now I've actually went ahead and created a skill for you. So if you enter in the skill will take care of everything that you need to do to get a comprehensive SEO audit for any site in any niche. So we can see here in our audit, we'll get a bunch of useful information and actionable steps that we need to take. If you want to get access to all of the prompts and the SOPs in today's video, just comment SEO below and I'll send you over this site that I've created that has all of the SOPs that you can simply follow, plug it into Claude, and get started. So first you need to do an SEO audit, and in this SEO audit we're going to get a competitor analysis, we're going to get critical fixes that we need to do right away, we're going to get an on-page SEO audit, we're also going to get keyword opportunities, we're going to get a content strategy, we're going to get schema markup, and we're also going to get a technical SEO audit that will help us with our page speed insights and our responsiveness of our website. Also backlink intelligence, so on and so forth, with a 90-day action plan. So now we know the key things that we need to improve on our website. Now, if you are using WordPress, then you will have to obviously go ahead and manually do this. But I've actually went ahead and showed you guys on this channel already how to build a website using Claude Code or using tools like Bolt to create indexable, rankable websites that you can simply use AI to make these changes. If you want to see that video, again, comment SEO below and I'll include that within the workflow. So as you can see, this site here that I created is completely AI generated. So I can go over to Claude Code, and if I went ahead and I found things that I need to improve upon, like the critical issues here, I can simply go ahead and copy over all of the things that I need to improve upon, pop it into the AI, and the AI will do it automatically for me. I think that's the future of website building, and it saves you a ton of time. You can also do that for your on-page elements, for your title, for your meta description, so on and so forth. So now that we know where we're at in terms of SEO, and we've went ahead and made the changes for on-page, off-page, and technical SEO, now it's time to focus on improving our EEAT. Is essentially the trustworthiness or the ranking or the trust factors that Google has for our website. And to do so, we need to improve the content on our website. Google needs to look at our website as a thought leader and as a pillar for your specific niche. So again, if I scroll down to our SEO audit, I will be able to get some keyword opportunities, and I also get a content strategy. So we can see here, we get a bunch of different articles that we can start writing on directly. So when it comes to content, I would say that there's two different types of content that you'll create in order to bring you more organic traffic. One is going to be blog posts, and if you are a local business, the second is going to be service pages. So if you do different services like plumbing, then you would have a page about emergency plumbing, commercial plumbing, condominium plumbing, whatever services you do, you would need to have service pages for that. And if you are a local business within specific areas, then I would have local area specific. So for example, emergency plumbing in Toronto, emergency plumbing in Niagara, emergency plumbing in Brampton, whatever state or whatever space or whatever city you service, you would also want to go ahead and create a service page for that specific city. And if you combine those two different types of content, then you will have a very comprehensive website that will 100% start ranking as you scale out your content writing. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up your automated content writing calendar. Instead of having to do it manually, we can set up an automation that writes content for us on a daily basis. To get this set up, we need to connect WordRocket to our Claude Code. In order to do that, we need to get a plan for WordRocket. And once we have a paid plan on WordRocket, we can now connect our MCP. So if I head over to MCP here and I scroll all the way down, I'll be able to see how to connect my MCP. Right, so we have the instructions right here on WordRocket, and essentially what that does is WordRocket is a content writing tool. So it'll write your articles for you, it'll be SEO optimized, it'll have images, it'll be indexable, it'll have your sitemap, and all of your brand voice if you include it. So if you haven't set up your website on WordRocket, it's very, very easy to do so. You just head over to brand voice and knowledge. You set up your brand voice and your knowledge. And if you want to connect over and have internal linking, head over to settings, general sitemaps, and then we want to add in our sitemap here. And then WordRocket will pull the best URLs for internal linking. So once that is all set up on WordRocket, we just have to head back over to Claude. And again, to get it connected, head over to settings. We're going to go to connectors. We're going to go to customize. Then we're going to go to add a custom connector, name WordRocket. And then the URL is going to be wordrocketapi.com. And then we just simply add it over. And then WordRocket will be added over to our Claude. So now we can tell Claude to do anything we want it to do, and then it will execute that task in WordRocket. So again, going under our article content calendar, I'm going to copy over this first article. I'm going to tell it to use WordRocket to write this article, use web search mode, include 3 images, and add GEO optimization. Right? So essentially what that's going to do is it's going to then write the article, and if I've actually went ahead and connected my WordPress site, I can tell WordRocket to then post this to my site, right? And it will write the article and post it directly over to my site. Now to take this a step further, I can then go ahead and create a scheduled task that does this on a day-to-day basis. And this is how you can automate your content writing using Claude. You don't have to do anything. You create a scheduled task that happens every single day at 9 a.m. You give it the topics, and it will go through and write those topics for you on a day-to-day basis. So while that's generating, the next skill in which we'll be using is ensuring our website is AI search ready and that it's actually going to be mentioned in ChatGPT and other AI search. So to do this, I've used another skill, which is called our AI search ranking SOP. So this SOP allows us to get our brand mentioned in ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI Overview, and just ensuring that our website is AI search ready. So again, I went ahead and popped this into Claude, and here is our AI search overview. So we see here our overview compared to our competitors, and we see what we need to do in order to improve this. So we can see here that this is almost entirely a content problem. So this website has 0% AI visibility, which is like most new websites. And this is what we need to do in order to ensure we'll be able to rank on AI search. Where we're missing AI citations, we're seeing analysis, content gap analysis, or AI gap analysis with our top competitors. Really actionable and useful information. So geo optimized topic roadmap. So I can see here topics that we can write about that will actually be mentioned on AI search, right? So we see here, this is really good insights here that we can then pop into Claude again and tell it to use WordRocket to write the article, right? And again, you can set this on a schedule as well. So we see the first article that we pushed over actually was able to generate, and it was able to post over to the actual website itself. So if we click if we open up this link here, we'll be able to see the article that was created, generated, and posted over to the site here. So we can see here that you can automate this pretty easily using these different skills in Claude and using some connectors like WordRocket to generate your content for you. And again, we can do the same thing for the GEO article. We can copy over this article and tell Claude to now write this article following the instructions and post it over to our site. But if we head back over to WordRocket, we can see that the full article with images has been generated. So sometimes you need to tell the AI to give it a little bit to make sure everything has been generated, and then go over and post it over to your site. But as you can see, you get a full article here, right? So we can just walk down the list here and send it over to Claude, and Claude will then go ahead and generate the articles using WordRocket. So you can see here you have a full automated process that allows you to get the best SEO metrics and then set up automations that will improve your SEO, and then also set up automations that will create a content machine for your website that will start bringing in organic clicks. If you want to get the full SOP, again, just comment SEO down below. And if you want to use any of the tools that I mentioned in today's video, like WordRocket, there will be a link in today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.